everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are making oven fried pork chops. This is a pretty quick tutorial for a quick weeknight dinner or weekend dinner. This is something that I fix anytime, but we won't have any faces today because this will be fast. I'll show you my feet. I got some dress shoes on with some leggings. I had to run my son to his swim practice, so it's just going to be strictly this recipe. What I'm stirring up right here, mixing up, is I have breadcrumbs. I mixed these two. Some chicken bouillon granules, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, minced onions, and then I have the pork chops right here. And if you want the recipe, you can comment down below and I'll tell you how to make these. You also need a couple eggs to help the breadcrumb mixture adhere to the pork chops. So here we go. Just take the pork chop, and you can do this with any meat. I do it with pork chops most of the time. We don't eat a lot of pork. I know it doesn't seem that way because we have that video with the Mississippi pork chops, but beef is what we rarely eat, and so we get tired of chicken. Can't eat fish but so many times a week because of the mercury. So sometimes we have to veer off to pork. Sometimes I feel like I'd like to do no meat. My brother does that, and because meat is supposed to just cause so many issues within our bodies, maybe I will try it. Gotta sneak that up, ease that up on the family. So this is what it looks like breaded. And we have the oven waiting. I only have one egg in here, but I can already see that I'm going to need two. Just spread that egg around. And originally, when I started fixing these, which was many years ago, host Christian, our little boy Christian, so yeah, when we only had Christopher and Krista, it used to be about 5 pork chops, and there you go. And I would only have to use 1 egg. Here they are just before going into the oven. And now it's time for them to pop into the oven at 400 for about 20-25 minutes. Alright folks, it's time to take them out. And here you are. Still sizzling. Nice and crispy. Y'all see that? Oven fried pork chops. I wish I could give you a bite. And then I have some Italian rice. I can't show you the real deal because the rice is not letting me be great. But it is. We're gonna eat in a minute, baby. And it's just rice, butter, olive oil, some Italian seasonings. I put a little bit of turmeric in there for color. And we have broccoli. Broccoli is our go-to because that's one of the few veggies that the girls will eat. Alright. So once again, thanks for watching. If you like what you've been watching, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give us that thumbs up. And as always, hit that notification bell. What my baby said.